This is the first time that this has happened in 10 months. It feels like an eternity, what I'm about to show you. This is a big deal. Okay. So with that said, thanks for your support. I am still in San Pedro, Belize, flying back to Dallas today. So thank you for your support this week of my videos. I know it's been a little bit frustrating if you wanted to watch, if you're used to me doing 6 or 7 videos and I was only doing 2 or 3 because I've had a lot of technical issues down here trying to get content made for you guys. But so what's going on the first time in 10 months, Austin? Well, it is this. It is Bitcoin surpassing $27,000 for the first time in 10 months. Now, if you don't own Bitcoin, don't stop the video there. I've got a few of the things that I need to tell you about that are really important. So stay with me to the end, okay? Because this is relevant to you if you own any and all crypto coins or tokens. Anything you own, this is relevant, okay? So let's take a look real quickly at what's going on in the overall kind of market. I was looking at SHIB just before I started recording this video. The market's up 5.59%. And you can see right now, Bitcoin, as of the recording of this video, is trading at 26,500. But yes, you can see right here in the last 24 hours, it has surpassed $27,000 as far as kind of what its price point is. Now, the reason I said to you, this is important to you, even if you don't own Bitcoin, and why the first time in 10 months is a big deal, is if you kind of look at the overall context of everything, Bitcoin and Ethereum rising 7% and 5% respectively is bringing everything else up. Look, XRP's up 5, Cardano's up 4, Polygon's up 5, Doge is up 6, Solana's up 5, Polkadot 7, SHIB, Tron, everything 6, 7, everything is, Chainlink, everything is moving up because Bitcoin and Ethereum are moving up and painting really, really big green candles. Okay. So that's it. That's what the deal is, right? Remember that Bitcoin and Ethereum combined makes up over 60+% of the entire market capitalization, right? Remember that. Where they go, the rest shall follow. So they are relevant to you, even if you don't own them, they are relevant to you. By the way, side note, not investment advice. You should own some Bitcoin and Ethereum as part of a good diversified portfolio strategy, right? But the fact that this is the first time that this happened in 10 months, to me, is the bigger story. We've been living in, quite frankly, not good times in crypto. Crypto was gutted and decimated in 2022 because of inflation and everything that was going on with that. 7 interest rate hikes, people, FTX, SBF, 3 Arrows Capital, Celsius. I mean, all that stuff, right? It was just one bad thing after another. And against the backdrop of inflation where everybody was just scared to death. Hopefully it's getting a little bit better. We still got the inflation thing to deal with. We do. I think we'll always have that, but I'm going to take this as a win. Bitcoin, first time in 10 months, it's broken $27,000 and it's bringing up the rest of the market. That's what I got. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you.